Why do parents slap their children and what happens when we slap? Let's understand the reasons why we slap our children and actually what does slapping do to them. The first is because they think the situation demands it. That means the child has behaved in a certain way that the child deserves to be slapped. Such parents sometimes say words like, everyone was looking at me and everyone was complaining about my child, so I had to slap. Or my child was behaving in that way, what could I have done? I had to slap. So basically, we think that the child deserves that slap because of the behavior. The second reason we slap our child is because we could not control our own emotion. We got so angry or so disappointed at our child's behavior that in that moment we could not control it and we slapped the child. Mostly later on, we feel really guilty, we regret it and wish we had not done it. The third reason we slap our children is because it's a power game. Basically, we know our child is powerless and depends on us and cannot really do anything, so we slap them. I know it's a very hard fact to understand, but think about it. Do you slap any other family member in the house who does not behave according to you or disappoints you? So basically, it's a power game because we are slapping where we know we can get away with it. So what does slapping children really do? Let's understand this. The first thing that it does is it confuses our children. Since the beginning, when they were a baby, they have seen us parents as a figure of affection, care. We feed them, we love them, and then we only slap them. This really confuses them. It makes them sometimes feel that they deserve it. It makes them lose their confidence, they become more anxious, and sometimes it can also lead them to rebel. The second thing slapping does is it ruins our relationship with our children because it's not respectful. See, children need to see how respect is given. They need to receive respect in order to learn to give it. So when we are slapping, we are teaching them that wherever there is power, we need to give respect over there. So we are not able to build a strong relationship with our child, nor are we able to give the right values to them. The last thing that I want to say is slapping is not really working. See, it may seem to be working in that moment, but it's not changing our children's behavior for the better at all. And then think about it, what if your child decides not to listen to you or follow your instruction in spite of the slapping? So here I will suggest, let's come out of these practices of slapping children. I mean, I understand that as parents we have the best intentions and we love our children, I really believe in that. But slapping and hitting children is not really helping us. It's not helping in building a good personality of our children. They might just rebel or become more stubborn, or they might just lose confidence. Plus, it's becoming a barrier in building a beautiful relationship with our children. So instead, as a parent, equip yourself with better tools and strategies to gain children's cooperation plus that beautiful relationship. And trust me, it is possible.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.